how's it going? Happy Friday. I hope you're having a really good day. For today's video, we are going to be doing another unboxing. Today's video and this purchase is completely unplanned. I was actually shopping on The RealReal, which is an online consignment store, and they are having such a good sale right now that I saw this bag by Louis Vuitton at such a great price that I just went with it. I just bought it. It came in the mail yesterday, and so here we are today. Let's unbox this together, and I will show you what the condition of the bag is, and then I will share with you the price of this bag, and I cannot believe what I paid. I am still so mind blown. So it's coming in a dust bag, and it says The RealReal. Just right off the bat, comparing The RealReal to Fashion File. The Fashion File dust bag is like a much thicker, better quality material. This dust bag is very thin. You can almost see like it's see-through. It's just a dust bag. Let's keep on moving. And oh my gosh, so I cannot believe, I'm so excited about this bag. Let me show you the condition of this bag. Well, let's start off. This is the Louis Vuitton in the monogram, and this is in the PM size. Oh my God, this bag is in such good condition for the price that I paid. So let me show you the bag, and then I will share with you the price. I can't get over how good of condition this bag is. Let me show you the bottom, first of all, because we all know vachetta leather can be a little bit high maintenance, and it can get water stains and stuff like that. But this, look at the condition of this bag. Look at the bottom of this. If I bought this bag brand new, I don't even know if I could keep it in this good of condition. So this bag on the website, this is from the year 1999. So this is a 23-year-old Louis Vuitton bag, and it is in such fantastic condition. Let me show you the chaps for the vachetta leather, and then let me show you what these handles look like. Look at the condition of these handles. Okay, let me show you the other side. Look, there are the chaps. So there's a water stain right there, but that's essentially the only water stain. And then the rest of the bag is in like pristine condition. Look at that. Look how pretty honey golden the vachetta leather is. Can you believe this is a 23-year-old Louis Vuitton bag? The gold hardware is still gold, but it is, you can tell that the zippers, honestly, the zippers, they're a little bit tarnished, but they look like my Speedy bandolier where they're kind of scratched. And I have not had my Speedy bandolier for 23 years. So there's the zipper. It's the double zipper, and it has a Louis Vuitton on the ends. And so let me go inside, and I will show you the inside of this bag. So it has a little bit of a smell, but that is, it's like, this is a brand new bag. Look at the inside of this bag. There's not a single like pin spot, mark. There's absolutely nothing. This looks like a brand new bag. I'm shocked. Oh my God, I'm so excited to have this added to my collection. There's an inside pocket right there. Can you see it right there? So this is back in the good old days with the date codes. If you don't know how to read it, so the first two letters stands for a country. So VI stands for France. And then the 0969, if you take the first and the third number, that tells you the month that this bag was made, and then the second and the fourth number tells you the year. So this bag was made in France in June 06 of 1999. So this bag is a 23-year-old bag, and I cannot believe the condition of this bag. Like, this is exactly why I love Louis Vuitton. Like, if you take care of something, it's going to last. And I just can't, but look at this vachetta for 23 years old. And this is a pre-loved bag. It's not like I've had this bag myself for 23 years. This is my first time buying from the RealReal, and this is 100% a really good experience. So like I said, they're having a really good sale right now. Let's talk about the price. This is again the Alma in the size PM, and this retails for $1,960 US, I think, right now on the Louis Vuitton website if you were to buy this brand new. And I got this bag on the RealReal because they're having a huge sale right now. I paid $425 for this bag. Can you believe that? I am shocked. I'm so excited. I was just like, oh my God. This is going to be like a two-part series. The first one I wanted to unbox and show you. I am going to be making another video as part 2 where I will walk you through what I look for and how I buy pre-loved handbags from authorized online retailers. So be on the lookout if you're interested. If you want to buy Louis Vuitton or the designer items, but you really don't want to pay that high price point, be on the lookout for that video. I will be posting it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a really good weekend. And so I'll see you next time. Bye.